Hello friends, today I will show you new smart lock from WELOCK. This is the model PCB41. This one is equipped with pin code dialer, not as I showed you before previously, the other model equipped with fingerprint input. This one, as I said, is going to use a dialer. Here is the dialer, here. And you are going to use pin code to actually unlock and unlock this lock. There is very complete manual, instruction manual in the package, but I will skip that for now and I will show you how this actually works and how we are going to install it on the door. Here is the lock. It's very heavy on the first side. And here you have the dialer, as I said before, and adjustable handle on the inside of the door that you can use to lock the door from inside. And this one is adjustable too. You can pull it out when you release a small screw under this cap here. I will show you how it goes in just a second. Let me peel this off to show you how it looks. As I said, they made it solid metal. This is solid metal handle and it feels premium in the hands. I can say I like this very much. What they send you with the lock is something more. Here we have a couple of smart cards, smart lock they said, that you can use to actually unlock the door, not using pin code but swiping these here and unlock the door with these three, or you can use just one of them, but they give you three of them. Here are some tools that they send you: a small screwdriver here, hexagon key, and couple of screws that you will need to use. I will show you just in a second how you need to use these screws here. So first things first, I will have to remove this cap here with the hexagon key to install 3 AAA batteries. Unscrew the screw here first and take this lid out. This is solid metal too. It feels good and strong actually. And here under this rubber sealing, it's made to be waterproof. You open here the compartment for the batteries, and I will use 3 AAA batteries, and you can see here there is a Type-C connector. This one is to emergency power the device when the batteries are down. You cannot unlock the door with this charger. You are going to use it only to power the device, and after that, when you input the right pin code, you will unlock the door from the outside. Now, as I said, we need to install 3 AAA batteries. Let me figure out how they go. I guess they need to go this way. This way. Okay, it starts to working. First screw here, you're going to input in this place and using the screwdriver to actually lock the lid on the batteries here. Now it's okay. Here now we have a waterproof sealing here. The whole unit is made to be waterproof, and now I will place this rubber sealing over here, and here we can see a small screw inside this hole. Using the hexagon key again to adjust the outside handle by 20 millimeters both sides, exactly the length that you need. Here is some grease to make it waterproof. here is a rubber sealing again. For now I will leave it right there. This is the pin that actually moves the lock. To unlock it and lock it from inside you can make it anytime, but from outside you cannot rotate it unless you input the right pin code. To make this happen, I know that the administration pin, admin pin, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now I can lock for 5 seconds the lock, and after 5 seconds it's going to release the pin and I cannot rotate it further. So when you input the right pin you can lock it and unlock it as I said. This is how it goes, and of course you can change the admin pin following the instructions in the manual, and also you can add some of those cards to unlock and unlock the door with them. And now I will show you how to put that metal lid back on this way, and you can see there is some blue thing here to make it waterproof, and in addition here is another O-ring, the green one. That's because the whole thing, as I said, is waterproof and we can use it outdoors without any problem. So friends, they actually made a very sturdy and good door lock for this money. And of course you can download the app here by using this QR code and operating the whole thing through your phone. You can also add permissions to other people to actually unlocking the door. You can input more than one pin codes for any of your family members, and you can watch the history on your phone how this lock is actually operated and who is unlocking the door and at what time. And there is even more, you can use it with a hub and monitor the work of this one through the internet. So friends, thank you for watching, give this video a like and see you again.